If you've been thinking about upgrading your CPU fan cooler to an all-in-one AIO, this is a quick and easy step-by-step guide on how to install. Let's start by opening up the box and taking out what you need. This install is for an AMD setup, but it can also be used for an Intel platform. Therefore, I'm going to only take out the hardware for an AMD setup. These are the parts that you'll need for an AMD platform. Now grab the bracket and place it on top of the pump with the square part facing on the bottom. Use 2 of the small screws and tighten the first one just enough for it to hold the bracket. Then grab your second screw to get the other one started, then tighten them both all the way down. And repeat for the other side. Now let's grab the fan and place it on the radiator. Grab the long screws and get them started by hand. Once you get them in, tighten them all the way down in an X pattern. I forgot to include the other 4 small screws in the beginning of the video, but they are the same ones I used for the pump bracket. Use that to tighten the radiator to the case. We're almost to the end. Let's add some thermal paste to the CPU. And most importantly, take off the plastic on the pump. Now this part is a little tricky, but I will back out the knobs as far as I can so you have more play to attach it to the bracket on the board. Once you get them on, tighten them down all the way. Now for the wiring, it's really simple. The kit comes with a splitter for the RGB to connect to the pump and the fan. Make sure the arrows are on the same side. Depending on your motherboard, this 3-pin connector from the pump goes to the CPU optional or WP for water pump. Now for the 4-pin connector from the radiator fan, that goes to your CPU fan on your motherboard. And there you have it, quick and simple. I hope this helped and thank you for watching.